Eritrea is making a steady progress in greening and restoring its environment. Against the backdrop of climate change, biodiversity loss, and land degradation, communities across the country are taking proactive steps to rehabilitating the environment. Notably, women are at the forefront.
دبزح أبز دسر حد نبر دك نستين نزي نقص مريض نزي بأمني دتبلا نجر دتوحد مريض كويعيتا نخمزي إيتات صريحين كبقع إلك أي تحسب نخا نعوجن بديهن كويعيتا تغكلنا لعلي ساعات ون يخون دسر حنيلا أبز خابت طعم خمس جنيه.
Eritrean women are the foundation of their communities, working relentlessly to rehabilitate degraded areas. Their commitment and effort have turned arid landscapes into vibrant green spaces.
There have been over 81 projects of various types, and so far 57 have been completed. These include restoration of arid land in some places, water harvesting interventions, and mainly involving women, but women have not been used only as to provide the necessary labor, but they have also been part of the whole process from design to implementation, and in addition to providing labor. So this has been projects where communities get to be involved in their own environmental issues and try to solve challenges. And the focus on women is to make sure they also participated in their own development.
كل نجار جرمالو قدامي نجار إذا لميهم أتفقر مريض بحال عقبالو نبعلوتي قبل ما تسلد لنا مريض هبتمالو زند حر عابي وزند حر كاشو مبيلون عناي وأيورتم ذاك كاخس معناي ونتربح ندمت دلو ولدوس من صف نقبرو له معلنا مالتيو.
እዚ ፕሮጀክት እዚ ኮሚኒቲ ስረ ዘለዎ ፕሮጀክት ስለ ዝኾኑ ኣብዚ ልዕሊ ኩሉ ተንተሳተፍቲ ልዕሊ 900 ዝሳተፋ ኻኒ ደቂ ኣንስትዮ ማለት እዩ ኣብ ብዙሓት ዓድታት ርኢናየን ከም ዘለና ናብ ሓምላይ ናብ ቀጠልያ ተቐይሩሉ እቲ ቦታ ዘይነበሩ እንስሳ ዘገዳም ናብቲ ቦታ ከም ዝምለሱ ኮይኖም ኣለው መበቆላውያን ኣግራባት ናብ ንቡር ተመሊሶም ኣለው ናብ ማይ ኩዖታት መብዛሕቱ ተፈዊሱሎ እቲ ናብ ዲጋታት ዝወርድ ዝነበረ ድበታን ከም ንከላኸሎ ኮይኑሎ ኤርትራ ናብ ሓምላይ ደሴት ለውጥ እንዳምፀት ለዝኸይድ ዘላ ክተባባዕ ዘሎ ፕሮጀክት ይብል ማለት ደቂ ኣንስትዮ ተም በቀረባ ምስ ባህሪ ዘለዋ ተጠቀምቲ ናይቲ ባህሪያዊ ሃብቲ በቀረባ ስለ ዝኾና ኻኒ እግረ መገድና እቲ ትስራሕ እቲ ኣካል ምስታፍ ጥራሕ ደይኮነት ንቕሓት ኣብ መንጎ ሕብረተሰብና ኣብ ምብራኽ ዓቢታራ ኣለዎ እቲ ፕሮጀክት ወላ እውን ብንኡስ ዓቐን ዝትግበር እንተኾነ እቲ ተሳታፍነትን ተዓጻጻፊ ዝኾነ ሪዋርድ ንሪኤሉ ኣለና ማለት እዩ
Local communities empowered by the United Nations Development Programme UNDP, Global Environment Facility Small Grants Programme SGP in Eritrea are implementing innovative solutions to combat environmental challenges.
بتتحزنا مسرت بتتهبنا ممرحة نحن سلتوهدنا تنمرحت سرحن نحن تعودنا له إما تنريو حريرو صنحنا أو كمزي كوسع له كمزي كون له في الحوض ثلاثة هيلو مستنحنا شتو نوقع لنا زحسنا على ما نوقع لنا سلازبلنا على ما نوقعنا
معكب ما ينحبدن كم حد برنامج ويلنا إلى معتنا لنا إذا هجر وين يتراس لزخانة تتصالي نقصله ذلنا أيو أين قارو صدينا سقع زيرو نيم قرب درجة نبصح كم قربنا مالتي معناته بس كلمة ولوتو نبعلو زخيل قدايس لزخانة كلمة ولوتي ما أنا ذي نفناس لزخانة ذي قر فناس لزخانة ترانا هم تواصل لنا بكلمة ولوتو الذي عود صراحة سريعنا هنا.
The SGP Eritrea program has successfully implemented initiatives in Gabgabo and Adiberbera villages, located within the Ankarbalwa landscape of the Ansaba region. These efforts highlight the value of stakeholder engagement, active community participation, local leadership, and government experts' guidance. As a result, they have achieved an output increase exceeding 5 times compared to the originally proposed output of 40 hectares enclosure for each initiative.
نحن زي بريجكت خبد مسألنا بتعمي لو تبزح حرينا إذا عدنا شمت عمت نشبعت عمت ما ينبرون زربال حجي زي رباك كابد السرح إنه لكم ماي لومي بموتورات قمد زرقحنا كمدرنا نتلا ክልተ ግዜ ንዘርኢ ኣለና ንእትለና ነፍርለና ከም ዓቕምና ሰብ ኩሉ ሰብኣዩን ሰበይቱን ወፊሩ ይውዕል ኣሎ
ማሻላ ማይ ብዙሕ ርኤና ፍርያት ብዙሕ ርኤና ማሻላ ሸዓብና ግሩም ሸቕላ ተባዕታ ወአንሳታ ግሩም ሸቕላ ትክቤላ ምስል ሸዓብና ግሩም ህሌና.
By planting trees, conserving water and promoting sustainable agriculture across many parts of Eritrea, these efforts are not only restoring ecosystems but also improving their livelihoods.
ቀንዲ ዕላማና ኣብዚ ዝሰርሖ ዘለና ሓደ ማይን መሬትን ሓመድን ንምዕቃብ ካልኣይ ተፋሰስ ማይ ነፍሒ ምፍዋስን እቲ ቀላጥ ዘሎ ጎቦታት ከኣኒ ብሓምላይ ምሽላምን ወይ ከኣኒ ምግራብን እዩ እዚ እቲ ህዝቡን ተረዲኡ ስለ ዘሎ እዚ ስራሕ እዚ ብንጥፈት ብዘይ ተጉላባነት ኣዴታት ቆልዕተን ሓዚለን መንእስያቱን ኣሰብኡትን ኩሎም ዝተሳተፎ ኣድማዕ ስራሕ ተሰሪሑ ኣሎ.
The impact of these initiatives is far-reaching. Improved soil health and fertility, increased water retention, and enhanced biodiversity are just a few of the benefits. These efforts are not only mitigating climate change, but also creating resilient communities that can withstand future shocks.
ህዝቢ ናቱ ውጽኢቱን ስለስተረደ ብዝያዳ ባዕሉ እንዳሓለወ ከቐጽሎ ምዃኑ ስሩዱ ነገር እዩ ኣብ ገሊኡ ዓድታት እውን ድሮ ብናይ ንህቢ ናይ ካልእ ንጥፈታት ብምግባር እውን ዝያዳ ኣታው ዝረኸባሉ ቦታ እውን ርኢና ኢና.
SGP project at Wakizagar in Ma'khar region commenced 11 years ago on previously barren land. At present, it has been transformed into a stable and thriving ecosystem, characterized by rich and dense biodiversity. This 80 hectares enclosure now boasts rich biodiversity and combats land degradation, while also supporting local communities through sustainable timber and honey production. The success of the project is a testament to the community's robust dedication to effectively scaling up and maintaining completed SGP initiatives.
ሳዕራ ዓጺዶም ክጥቀሙ ንርኢ ኣለና መግቢ ከብቲ ክረኽቡ ናይ ጸባኻ ምህርቲ ክውስኹ እንደገና ኣግራብ ውን ሸይጦም ነቲ ኣግራብ ኣብ ማዕላው ኢሎም ከምዚ ሕጂ ኣብ መስፍንቶ ዝረኣናዮ ናይ ማይ ቡምባ ክኢሎም ኣለዉ ማለት እዩ ስለዚ ኣብቲ ኮሚኒቲ ለውጢ የምጽእ ኣሎ ማለት እዩ እዚ ንጥፈታት እዚ
UNDP GEF SGP Eritrea exemplifies Eritrea's commitment to environmental sustainability, proving the effectiveness and the power of community-led initiatives. Through collaborative efforts, Eritrean communities are actively rehabilitating their environment, while simultaneously creating a more sustainable future for future generations.
Having women involved in this kind of ventures is very important. And also to use this avenue this platform to thank the National Union of Eritrean Women, the other partners, Ministry of Land, Water and Environment, Ministry of Agriculture, who have been involved in supporting small grant projects in this country. We are here to work with them, to continue working with them to solve Eritrea's development challenges, especially at the community level.
ልምዓት ኩልና ከለኻ ንግደስ ኢና ንወፍር ኢና ሓንቲ ጎደሎ ዘይብልና እዚኣ ኮይና እዚ ከምዚ ኮይኑ ኣይንበሃልኒና ኢዱን ጓንት ኮይና ኢና ንሰርሕ እታ ሃገርና ብደንቢ ሰሪሕና ማይና ክንዕቅብ ዘላና ክንዕቅብ ማይና ክንዕቅብ ኢና እንደለና እታ ሃገርና እንድሕር ለምዲ ንመን ንወለዶ ይኾነና ንሕጂ ጥራይ ኣይኮነን.
The story of the people of Eritrea serves as a gentle inspiration to the world, showing that even amid challenge, hope and resilience can shine through.